Could be 18.
How many books have you published so far, Bhomintur?
Could be 18.
18. All in Konkani or a mix of?
All in Konkani.
Okay, and what are the themes? What do they focus on?
Most first you can say my 15 books,
Yeah.
14, 15 books, all of which are novel like.
Novels.
Novel.
Konkani novels.
Konkani novel.
Romance.
And that's why I got it. My writing is quite different. That's why Alfred Rose, even the pet name, it's James Hadley Chase of Goa. You know
I see.
I got it.
I see. So Alfred Rose called you the James Hadley Chase of Goa.
Since that time, all the people calling me James Hadley Chase of Goa. We work my suspense.
I see.
And murder.
Okay. Murder and suspense.
Murder and suspense.
Okay.
Once I remember, my foreman,
yeah,
he was the Goan from Santa Cruz. He used to tell me he told once, Bobby, you're writing these things, people, there will be any girl will be married to you, but they will think you have this big criminal.
I see. People would mistake you for a criminal.
Because most of the book are writing on first person.
I see.
That's why he told it. And now my last 3 books now, one was Jesus of Nazareth. There are 3 parts.
Jesus of Nazareth.
Nazareth. There are 3 parts in the book. First, how I explained Jesus in my life, my personal life. Second is some fiction on Jesus on the same day when he was lying on the cross. And second and third one was the Shroud of Turin, you know that?
Yeah, the Shroud of Turin.
The translation of the English book.
I see.
And this is the first book.
So what are the last 2 books of yours about?
That was about one is San John.
The Feast of Saint John.
Feast of Saint John.
Which is celebrated in a big way during the monsoon season in June.
In June. And secondly, all musicians, no?
Musicians of Goa.
Songit, Dorud Goenkaranchi.
Yeah. I think the book on musicians of Goa is very interesting from a historical perspective because it focuses on a whole lot of names who have been forgotten.
Valir person, he had taken something.
Yeah.
Many things taken from my book.
Valmiki has mentioned, excerpted from your book for his column. Okay. Yes. And in this book you focus on how many musicians exactly?
That means nearly 300.
300 musicians. So they are small pen sketches of the lives of these 300 musicians.
No, not all.
Not all.
Not all. I made a mistake in that book. There are more musicians. Now see, Montserrat is a good person. I didn't mention his name.
Okay.
Montserrat, Montserrat is the second name.
The jazz musician?
Jazz musician.
Okay.
Secondly, Anthony Gonzalez.
Anthony Gonzalez.
Good musician. But I didn't mention his name because therefore my one-man show.
I see.
Even the typing also I did my own computer.
I see.
And Garada PG Keller. And therefore completely one-man show. But I went to 3 times Bombay for bring the information of the musician.
I see.
And my case, my case, whatever I want, that I want. I had one photo, Cesar de Mello had given me the photo, the musician was died. And Cesar de Mello gave me the photo of the musician. But I didn't like that photo because I knew that person personally. The photo was like, he was handsome.
I see.
The musician was handsome. But 3 times I went to his house, get a good photo.
I see.
But these people come the next time. Finally, I same photo I put in the book. Because there was no issue. But 3 times I went to Shiroda. They get a good photo.
Goa is extremely rich in the world of music. Why?
Because of Portuguese, because there is English parochial school, parochial church school.
Yeah. But it's not only Western music that thrives here. It's even Indian music and
But music. You take this thing, take the first picture, very first Indian picture.
Yeah.
The music was based on most of the music was based on English music. On English tune.
English tune.
And finally, there Burman and this.
Yeah, Goans also played a big role in Hindi films.
Of course.
You are a musician yourself.
Not my. You don't tell the musician. I'm just playing. I'm just blowing the instrument. Not playing the instrument. I'm playing 3 instruments.
Yeah.
Saxophone, alto sax, soprano sax, and clarinet.
I see.
But I can say I'm playing. I'm just blowing.
No, that's being modest. As far as publishing your own books go, it's basically a whole lot of self-publishing. You have done it all yourself.
Of course.
How tough is it, or how tough was it to publish a book in Goa?
Now, while coming down, today,
Yeah.
while we coming to Panji, I told Joel my story.
Yeah.
How I was publishing my book, I composed it myself.
Compositor.
That time there was no this thing.
Correct. No computers.
Only no computer, no
linotypes also.
Linotypes. I used to compose my own. I used to write my book.
Yeah.
And I used to compose the book.
Really?
My book.
In which press?
I used to by the. I'm working for Examiner Press.
I see.
I was working for Examiner Proofreader.
Okay.
But I composing also I knew. Then after that I was hiring one press.
Yeah.
Any press friend of mine. 6 o'clock I'll be in 5 ready exam press. 6 o'clock I was reached that press. And by the time most people who were working on this Ishmael press, these people used to go home.
I see.
Then I started over there.
Okay.
Till 12 o'clock.
So what's the history to your life? You spend a lot of time in Bombay also. Most of the time in Bombay. Which years?
1962 I had gone. I came back, and 63 onward I was till 78 I was in Bombay.
Till 78. And you worked in the Examiner Press?
I worked in Examiner. First I was working for Times of India. That time the Times of India is the publishing one. Evening News of India.
Evening News of India. Small tabloid paper.
Small tabloid paper. 11 o'clock the paper used to come out.
Yeah.
There short time I worked there.
Okay.
Then Examiner Press I worked long time.
What are your future plans in terms of books?
Now?
Yeah.
Now I'm now 56 now. 65, 66 now. What the future plan is talking about?
No, but I mean...
I got.
Yeah.
Future plan I'm going to write a book on go on marriages, as I told you.
Musicians.
No, go on marriages.
Marriages, go on marriages.
Right. Because either now you are quite young,
Yeah.
tell this, because once upon a time, Goa, the marriage was one, then
I see. So you have to prepare for a full month for a marriage.
Full month for the marriage. And secondly, after the marriage also, earning that is totally. Now everything is gone.
Yeah.
Everything is gone. Nothing. माटो बना गलताले गत्ताले आकै दुकर माताले आता सक्लिङ दिने आता दुकर पछि मारि धान आता order दिले सकेर जौन
They don't even kill a pig, so it's just like everything is commercialized.
That I going to do, and Tomijan also told me that day.
Sorry?
Tomijan Carter told me write that book and keep let it know the younger generation, the once of the time in Goa, marriage is also like this. That's why I'm going to write a book.
All the best and thank you very much for your time. Sir.
Secondly, different, there are 9 talukas in Goa. That means
11.
11.
Yeah.
And 11 talukas is level. Different
customs and traditions.
Tradition. And that I'm going to find out.
As far as marriage goes.
Okay. Now the pen, that's I finish.
Yeah.
Now Valpo is there.
Pen you've already finished?
Pen, that's I already finished. Now Bardias, there is no need because I'm from Bardias.
Yeah.
Salses I have to do. I have to go to cafe.
You talk to these people and you understand
their... and there are some, and secondly, what I mean, carry marriage custom in Goa. According to custom, the caste also.
Yeah, it varies. So different caste have different traditions.
Different tradition. The Brahmin, they this thing quite different compared to other castes.
Yeah.
But that also I have to see.
Yeah.
That also I will try.
And religious differences also are there, of course, in tradition. Across religions, like a Hindu marriage would be different from a Catholic or a Muslim marriage.
Now that time was that. Now my son going to marry the Hindu. She's the Hindu. She's the Keralis.
Yeah. Yeah, of course. But when it comes together, that's different. But
I'm going to try to find out. So far, in my this thing, I didn't get it, but I will try. I will ask the old people. And
thank you.
Many people, many Konkani writers, many Konkani people, Konkani lover, I can say that, used to say that what you are writing, Goan writer, in the Roman script, that is not a
decent Konkani or
standard. We are killing the Konkani.
Yeah.
If the Roman script keep alive, definitely that Konkani was
being finished.
They used to say. That's why we have to try to finish that Devanagari Roman script.
Move on to
Devanagari. But now it's what it means. Now they are going themselves.
So you won a prize. You were actually given a prize.
That was my first book, first novel.
68.
No, not 68. 72, 73.
I see.
And I was the first Catholic, and that my book was for the first. That means
Romy book to get a prize. What prize was it?
Yes, I'm telling you, that prize was Konkani Bhasha Mandal.
And you came down by plane from Bombay. You were telling us this story. How much?
I think that 365 rupees.
The ticket was.
And I got a prize 101 rupees.
I see. Yeah.
And I used to keep that check.
I see.
So many months I keep that check to show the friend, this thing. Prize I got it from Konkani Bhasha Mandal.